Hi there, this is Mufaddal with Apple Vibes, and you are going to learn more than 15 ultimate iPhone hidden features in this video, and we are starting right now. Did you know you could delete all alarms together with this simple trick? Now when we head to clock and alarm, if I want to delete an alarm, I'll have to choose the edit option and then I'll have to delete the alarms one by one. But with this simple trick, you can delete all the alarms together. Hey Siri, delete all alarms. Choose yes, and all alarms will be deleted together. Wearing a mask? No problem. Unlock your iPhone with a secret trick even when you are wearing a mask. Head over to settings for that. Under settings, we'll go to accessibility, voice control. Make sure you enable this voice control first. Then we'll go to customize commands, custom, and create a command. We'll name it as unlock or whatever you want to name it, we can name it. We'll say unlock for this purpose, action, and run custom gesture. And whatever your password is, my password is 2580. When you type 2580, you have to put that gestures in this custom command. What I mean by that is my password is 258 and 0. This is my password. I'll say save and back and again save. So now when I lock and I try to open it, it won't open because it's saying that I am in a mask and it will give me that password. Tell that voice command and it will put that gestures as my password. Unlock 258 and 0. That will unlock my iPhone. This is a super trick to know about in 2021. And by the way, if you like this kind of content, you can hit the subscribe button for more content pumping every week on Wednesday and Sunday. You knew that you could get multiple search results while searching for something on Safari. But did you also know that you could also find something on a particular page using the search bar? So if I want to search about weight, you can see that I have Google searches over here, but if I want to search for that word on the page, on the article I'm reading, very conveniently I can search it from here. So this is like a finding bar we get on our laptops in the Safari search bar itself. So if I click on that find weight, it is showing me that 18 times weight has been mentioned in this article, and very conveniently I can scroll through them from here on my Safari itself. And after I'm done, I could say done and we are good to go. Some people can't sleep without listening to music or watching a video on YouTube, but instead of that music or video running till you wake up, do this. Go to your clock app, then go to your timer and choose when timer ends to scroll down and choose stop playing and set it. So you can set the timer. Say if it takes 1 hour or 2 hours for you to sleep listening to the music, set it to 1 hour and start the timer. So what this will do is after that 1 hour ends, everything on your iPhone including YouTube and music will stop playing. Pretty cool, right? Typing on iPhones becomes super convenient with this hidden feature. We want to undo something, you backspace, you'll write something, backspace. If you want to undo this, Apple's got you covered. Just swipe left with 3 fingers near the word and voila, with 3 fingers towards the left, and that will undo that backspace for you. And if you want to redo that, if you want to delete that again, all you have to do is swipe with 3 fingers towards the right and voila, that will delete that undooed word again for you. Did you know you could listen to music and also record video at the same time on your iPhone? So we'll head to a music app or whatever app you listen music on. I'll say Spotify in my case, and we'll listen to the music. At the same time, if you want to record a video, we'll head to the camera app for that, and all you have to do is instead of going to the video tab, you have to shoot the video from the photos tab. So we'll shoot the video like this. We'll pause the music, and now when we play that video from our photos gallery, you can see that the video is playing with the music. This is the coolest hidden feature ever. On iPhone, we don't have an option to clear RAM like on Androids. Well, not exactly. We do have a secret trick, but for that we'll have to go to settings, and under settings we'll go to accessibility, then touch, and under touch we'll go to assistive touch. Make sure that this is enabled, then we'll go to our home screen. And on iPhones, if you want to restart or shut down your iPhone, you have to press the home button and the volume key together. So you'll get this option, but you'll also have medical ID and emergency SOS, but we don't want that. So if you only want the power button and you don't want the medical ID and SOS with that, just increase the volume and then decrease the volume on your iPhone, and now only press the power button, just the power button and not the volume. So go to assistive touch and keep holding the home button, and if you get this lock screen after that, that means your RAM on your iPhone has been updated. Do you have a lot of apps and like to arrange them in folders, but also you don't like scrolling through the folder for getting the notification for different apps? For example, I have a folder and I have 2 to 3 apps with notifications, but if I want to see all the notifications, all the apps with notifications, and I don't want to scroll through my folder, just 3D touch on that folder and it will show you all the apps with notifications. So these are the apps with notifications. You can choose any app and you can go to that app very quickly. There are 1,000 if not more iMessages features, and this is a hidden feature buried in those features. Type a message. We'll go to the message app and type a message, hello. Just 3D touch on the send button and it will give you all these features, secret options to choose from. So I'll choose one of them, let's say slam, and done. I'll send it. So it will slam the whole screen, and next hold the 3D button, and you also have the bubble and the screen effect. So this is just for the message and this is for the whole screen. So you have the echo option for the whole screen, or light, or balloons, and you can choose one of them and send it directly, and you'll have all the balloons popping up in that iMessages app. Give this video a like if you're learning something new, and let's make it to 500 subscribers with this video. Ever wondered how to convert images to PDF on iPhone without a third-party app or a shortcut? Even I didn't know about this feature till now. In Files, select the image you want to create a PDF, 3D touch on that, and at the bottom you'll have this option to create PDF. So you can select that option, and in a second that image will be converted into a PDF on your iPhone itself without a third-party app or a shortcut. If you are being chased or bullied by someone and you don't want them to open your iPhone using your Face ID forcefully, just press and hold the volume button and the power button together until you say this and simply exit. Now no one can open your iPhone with the Face ID until you put the password yourself. Everyone knows about guided access in 2021, so you have to triple click the side button to access guided access on the app you want, and we'll start the guided access. But before starting, what you didn't know is that you had the secret options located at the bottom when starting a guided access session. So we'll go to these options, and here you have this cool features. You can enable side buttons, volume buttons, even motion, keyboards, touch, and also set a time limit right from here. So these are secret features hidden in guided access. Did you know you could apply noise cancellation for calls right on your iPhone in 3 simple steps? Settings, accessibility, then audio and visual, and here you have phone noise cancellation. So if you have an AirPod, you'll also have the option for AirPod. I don't have an AirPod right now, so I'll just enable this option for phone cancellation. So now when you are on calls, there is going to be less sound in the background for the person who's hearing your voice at the other end. You need an app for scanning QR codes on some Android devices, but on iPhone, Camera app is all you need. You'll go to the Camera app. Now place the QR code at the plus sign, and here's the result. So you have the result on the top. We'll go to the result, and that is how QR code works on iPhone. Do you want your iPhone speaker to take off? You can do that very easily by going to settings, and under music, you'll find EQ settings at the bottom. Just choose that EQ setting and set it to late night from off, and now the speakers on your iPhone will take off. And if you want to know a secret trick how to change your EQ every time you listen to different music, you can check out my video from the cards popping up right now. Do you want to dim down your iPhone screen to 0 for a prank maybe? Then this hidden feature is for you. Head to settings, then again to accessibility, and under accessibility you can find display and text size. Here scroll to the bottom and you can see reduce white point. Just enable this feature and you can set that white point to 80% or maybe 100%. But there's a caution, this can be dangerous if you don't know where the brightness settings is exactly located after you set this to 100% and you dim down your brightness to 0. Now you can see that my iPhone screen has become black. So if you don't know where the brightness is located at, you should not try this feature. So you can set the white point to 80 or 50% accordingly, or disable this after the prank. So these are the 16 ultimate hidden features for iPhone. Do let me know in the comments if you love them. Also, if you did, give it a thumbs up, and a subs to my channel would be really appreciated. Do check out some more cool videos as well. Thanks for watching. My name is Mufaddal. This is Apple Vibes. Take care and I will see you in the next video.